In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Kajabi DNS and nameserver info. Full guide. First, head over to Kajabi and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open your dashboard. This is where you'll access the settings related to your website and domain connection. From the dashboard, click on Settings, then select Domains. In this section, you'll see any domains that are currently connected to your Kajabi site. This area is important because it contains the DNS records Kajabi provides when you're setting up or checking a custom domain. When you connect a custom domain in Kajabi, the platform will usually show the exact DNS records you need to add through your domain registrar or DNS provider. A common example is a CNAME record, where the host is set to www, and it points to the target address Kajabi provides. In some cases, you may also see an A record, where the host is the root symbol, shown as @ and it points to an IP address specified by Kajabi. The key thing here is to use the exact values shown in your Kajabi account, because these requirements can change over time. It's also helpful to understand the difference between DNS records and name servers, because they're often confused. DNS records are the individual entries like A records, name records, TXT records, and MX records that control how your domain behaves. Name servers, on the other hand, determine which company is responsible for managing those DNS records. That could be your domain registrar or a third-party service such as Cloudflare. In most cases, Kajabi does not give you name servers to replace your existing ones. Instead, Kajabi typically asks you to add DNS records wherever your DNS is currently managed. To find your current name servers, log into your domain registrar and look for sections such as DNS management, domain settings, or name servers. You'll usually see nameserver entries listed in a format like ns1.provider.com and ns2.provider.com. Next, go back to Kajabi under Settings and Domains and check your domain connection status. If everything has been entered correctly, Kajabi should show the domain as connected. Keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant. It can take several hours and sometimes up to 48 hours for updates to fully propagate. Finally, if you want to verify everything, log into your domain provider, open DNS management, and compare the records there with the ones listed in Kajabi. If you notice any incorrect entries, update them so they match exactly.